yesterday, please do not be angry. This sentence is used by some people, mostly for the loved one, when you don't express your vibe. So please, so for pleasing, you are going to use the sentence. I do not say bye to you yesterday. Please do not be angry. Betty, are you investing on stock market? So investing on, no, it will be Betty, are you investing in stock market? This is the correct sentence. Are you investing in stock market? Then can you join me the talk? This is also incorrect sentence. Can I join in the talk? This is a correct sentence. We are full of and half of on Sunday. We are full of and half of on Sunday. If you say like that, this is the incorrect sentence. We are given the option to work either full or half day by the employer, to work either full or half a day on Sunday. So we are full of and half of on Sunday. If you say like that, it will become incorrect sentence. The correct will be we are given the option to work either full or half day on Sunday. And Calvin, do not be so jealous. Calvin, do not be so jealous. No, there is one different thing. The pronunciation, sometimes people use jealousy. Do not be so every word you have to use correctly. So if you use jealousy, then it will become mistake. And if you say jealous, then it will become correct. Calvin, do not be so jealousy. Calvin, do not be so jealous. China is coming into rainy weather. This is also incorrect sentence. The correct will be China is in rainy season now. Or you can say like India is in rainy season now. Then sentence like all the three cities are similar warm as Malaysia. So nearby cities will almost have the same temperature. So if you say like all these three cities are similar warm as Malaysia, then it will become a wrong sentence. You have to say like all three of the cities are as warm as Malaysia. What time of a day now in your country? This is also incorrect sentence. What is the time now in your country? This is the correct sentence. Come to think of it, it sounds right. Come to think of it, it does sound right. Come to think of it, it does sound right. It's the correct sentence. Last one typhoon led person 400 million damage. If you say like that, it will become a wrong sentence. The latest typhoon had caused the people 400 million damage. This is the right sentence. The last typhoon has caused the people 400 million damage. But I am illiterate computer. Don't say like that. Say like that. but I am a computer illiterate. I cannot follow you to talk now. I cannot follow you to talk now. I cannot follow.
Regular classes. I took live learner session for rapidly become fluent in English speaking. I invite you all to join this master class. By end of the 12th session, I take 12 sessions so that when you will able to speak English smoothly and confident without worrying about people laughing at you. This is the most important problem we have. Almost when you go for speaking English, people laugh at you. So don't worry about it. You develop, use, join my course, learn the skill, and develop. You're more confident, and this master class will help you make you a fluent English speaking. So the entire course is before you. We are going to have a fluent English speaking master class with a 12 session starting from the next very Sunday. Next, so I regularly conduct classes through webinar for your convenience and to clear the doubt. Apart from this, I have a pre-recorded videos also, which I will share with you once you miss the class. Suppose you miss the class, you will have a pre-recorded video at you. So once you join the course, I'm much confident that after completing of the course, you will have a confidence in yourself and you will not worry that people will laugh at you. So this you will have overcome this confidence from after joining this course. So wish you a have a very nice day, and I'm just concluding.